Hopefully this goes well.
Got it.
I heard that. So what we've got here is we've got simulators on our computers here. So for those of you guys who haven't worked with a simulator, this allows us to be able to test our work as we're going. It's great for people who don't have Android phones. Some of us have Android phones. We're able to just plug it right into our computer instead of or in additional to this. We've got our app here. We've got a sign-in ability. We've got a username and password. JavaTag right here. So that's a permission, just allowing people to the app allows you then to be able to the app. Pardon me. The permission just lets the app be able to access your location. So what they're doing right now is that they're actually creating a new game. We've got this page allows you to create a new game or join a game. We're going to start the new game, and it takes a little bit to load. There it goes. And we have a map that gets pulled up. And the first person who enters the game is the infected zombie person. So there you go. So now we have these guys here are actually entering the game, and they are not infected. There's James. There's Michelle. Who's the one who started the game? It's John, right?
John.
Yeah, so John's the one in the middle.
Jeff, I think you're out of bounds.
Jeff, where'd you go? So with this, emulators, is actually the correct term here for our computer guys over here. The cool thing about it is that you can actually set your lat and long for what you want it instead of one of us running outside the building or running down the hallway. So that's what's going on here. That's why you're seeing different positions. Brainless zombie.
I know, they got happy with me.
Alright, so game of tag. So zombie, John is going to come after the other people. He's literally changing his lat and long right now.
Where do I go?
His GPS coordinates. Thank you, James.
Yeah.
If this was real life, if this was a real life game, we'd literally be running through the streets of Seattle right now.
Simulated.
And so you become a zombie via distance. When you get close to that person, zombie.
Now James can run up and tag.
So just imagine James now running after these folks down the street. And there's a whole interaction going on right now with our database.
Take it, Jeff.
And the epidemic spread.
Quick.
So you can see up here what they're doing is they're actually changing the position of the player right now just to make this all
Michelle and Jeff.
Michelle decided. Jeff is the winner. Jeff is the last one left alive.
Him anyway. He's quick.
Yeah. Jeff, slow down.
Who knew he could run so fast?
Come on, Matt.
So you guys will notice these circles are populated with the actual little caricature, and so that is, a part of telling the app how far away you are from the other person.
Do we want to show the database?
Yeah, let's show the database. Yeah, we're going to show you guys the database. This is called DynamoDB, and there's many options for databases. This worked for us. And so with the database, we've got columns that we created, a lot of data here. What's really key is this column called is it. It's a Boolean or true or false essentially that we use in our code that is part of the whole game logic of is the person a zombie or is the person not a zombie. That was really such shockingly complicated. And so is it, if they're false, that means that they're not a zombie. And you got some people who are
probably in different sessions.
Yeah, different sessions, a lot of things going on. So yeah, so there's a lot of stuff going on. But that's databases for you. So our app was